Is Samsung about to drop the biggest Galaxy Watch upgrade in years? Because that's exactly what the leaks are pointing to. We're talking a brand new chip, a smarter health system, and design tweaks that actually matter. If you've been holding off on upgrading your smartwatch, this might be the video that changes your mind. Here's everything currently leaking about the Galaxy Watch 9, why it could be a genuine game changer, and what you need to know before Samsung makes it official. Let's get the obvious question out of the way. No, Samsung isn't reinventing the design this time. You're still getting that rounded square case wrapped around a circular display paired with the tough armor aluminum build. But leaked renders show Samsung quietly trimming down the bezels, which honestly makes the whole thing look sleeker without screaming for attention. Expect two sizes again, a 40mm and 44mm, both rocking vivid Super AMOLED panels with serious brightness and sapphire crystal protection. Durability stays rock solid too. Dust and water resistance plus military-grade toughness carry over. New colorways are reportedly coming as well, so even if the shape feels familiar, the watch on your wrist won't look identical to last year's. Now here's where things get genuinely exciting. Samsung is rumored to be ditching its own Exynos chip in favor of Qualcomm's brand new Elite platform. And if that's true, this is the upgrade people have been waiting for years. We're talking a dedicated neural processing unit, meaning AI features could finally run directly on your wrist instead of constantly leaning on your phone. Qualcomm is also promising a noticeable jump in power efficiency, which could mean real battery life gains in daily use. Throw in built-in ultra-wideband support, and suddenly things like precise device tracking and digital key features start feeling a lot more practical. The catch? RAM and storage are staying put, so this is purely a power and intelligence upgrade, not a specs flex.
Battery life is where things get a little mixed. The smaller 40mm model is expected to get an actual capacity bump, while the larger 44mm version reportedly stays the same size as before, meaning any improvement there leans entirely on chip efficiency rather than a bigger cell. Charging speed isn't expected to change either. On the accessory side, though, Samsung seems to be having fun. New band designs are leaking left and right, including a refreshed sport band, soft pastel color options, a returning hybrid leather-style band, and a sleeker marine-inspired sporty band. It's a small detail, but it shows Samsung is still thinking about personalization, not just performance. This is honestly where Samsung might be flexing the hardest. The Galaxy Watch 9 is rumored to launch on a fresh software base with a much heavier focus on AI-powered health insights. A new heart health score is expected to combine multiple readings into one simple daily number, so you're not left guessing what your stats actually mean. There's also a daily cardio load feature designed to tell you when your body needs to push and when it needs to recover, plus a fitness index that compares your performance to others in your age group instead of just throwing raw numbers at you. Add in a redesigned vitals dashboard and a new hearing health tracker that monitors noise exposure, and this starts looking less like a smartwatch update and more like a full health platform shift. As for price, leaks suggest the standard model could start around the same range as last year, with the LTE version costing a bit more on top. One thing that stands out, though, is that there's still no real sign of a classic model returning, so it looks like Samsung is sticking with its current lineup strategy. With Unpacked rumored for late July, we likely won't be waiting long to find out how much of this turns out to be true. If even half of these leaks hold up, the Galaxy Watch 9 could be Samsung's smartest wearable yet, not because it looks different, but because of what's happening under the hood. Would you upgrade for the new chip alone, or are you waiting on the health features? Drop your thoughts below, and if you want the full breakdown the moment Samsung confirms it, make sure you're subscribed.